Okay, gentlemen, this is the lesson 4 video, multiplying complex decimals, as I had mentioned previously. So here we're going to be multiplying decimals that do not necessarily have the same number of digits in each of the numbers themselves. So you're going to multiply 2.37 times 1.2. If, as you can see, I have already shifted my smaller number to the right so that the 7 and the 2 line up. Okay? So as long as these line up, you can continue to multiply like we did on the last example. So 2 times 7 is 14. Carry up the 1. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 2 times 2 is 4. And x to represent that we're shifting 1 over. So 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 3 is 3. And 1 times 2 is 2. Again, you're going to add. So 7 plus 7 is 14. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. And then 2. And again, to determine how many spaces over to move, you need to count the number of decimals to the right, or the number of spaces to the right of the decimal. Sorry. So we have 372, which is 3 numbers. So we're going to move it 1, 2, 3 backwards. So 2.844 would be your answer. If you're going to round that, that's 2.84. And that would be actually the only option if you were going to round it up. Or I guess 2.8, depending on, if I said to round it to the nearest tenth or hundredth or whatever. But so 2.844 is the correct answer, like the 100% correct answer. And then if you were asked to round the hundredth or the tenth, the bottom two would also count as well. So that would be the example. Again, the goal is to make sure that you line it up, multiply like normal. You're going to add, and then you're going to move your decimal. Okay, so that's the 3 things that you need to do. Well, 4 if you count multiplying. So this u-try, or the 2 u-tries here, say to multiply negative 3.71 times 0.3, and then to multiply 4.91 times 0.31. Again, interactive notebook is important. Left side notes, right side the u-tries, and that's the end of this video.